1 lakh plus trained professionals, 120 plus MNC clients, 60 plus carefully curated courses, and 20 years of esteemed trust. These are the journey lines of our SQL school. If you are looking for top-notch courses, real-time projects, high-paying jobs, or smart way to get hired, we are here to provide you the best possible step-by-step training classes with real-time projects on SQL, Azure, Fabric, Power BI, Google Cloud, Python, Java, AWS, Tableau, Snowflake, Salesforce. To transform your career with safe and trending industry job roles. Data analyst, business analyst, data engineer, BI developer, SQL database administrator, ETL admin, data scientist, and AI engineer. Completely practical, step by step, real-time projects, 100% job placement assistance, weekly feedbacks, and ensuring 100% job safety with our 24/7 service for technical assistance and resume guidance. We conduct free monthly webinars for all our previous students, job placement assistance with weekly mock interviews. Reach us today and book your free demo.